Your Chromebook.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. How do I make this smaller and then? Okay, good. You stop presenting already, right? Okay, good.
I'm still presenting.
You stop presenting.
Okay.
Huh? No. You should present so that you can show me your work. Like the next question is 7-4 something, right? Square. Good. You are not presenting, are you?
No, I am.
You are presenting already.
Yeah.
I don't see your work. Never mind, ignore. Okay, good now. Good. Now it's good. Yep. Next one.
Just sorry.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yep. This. So first you need to do the prime factorization for 784 first. Yes. So you need to do this question with your calculator beside you. So first you divide by a. Good. Continue. Quick one. Hello? 49 divided by 2?
Oh. Yeah.
Okay. Should you stop?
Yeah.
Why?
Okay. 7 is a prime number.
Very good. So now you can actually write down 784 as a prime factorization in index notation. Can you write down the answer? 784 then? Yeah. Very good. Very good. So now what you do? So you put a square root on top of the 784. Okay? And then you put the square root on top of your 2 to the power of 4 times 7 to the power of 2. Can I suggest to start a whiteboard? What are you seeing, by the way?
What?
I don't know. Okay. Can you create a whiteboard? Yes. Whiteboard. Yes. Yes. Start a new whiteboard. Yes. Yep. Got it. Nice. Can you write on the whiteboard? Square root. Nice. So let me see if I can fill it up here, okay? Let me see. It says view only. I need to request access. Can I? Yep. Let me send you. Yep. I send you a request to ask for permission to write. Did you receive that? I already sent you a request to write.
No.
Never mind. Let me just send one more time. Okay, request sent to owner already. I sent to you already. You receive anything? Probably you need to go to your Gmail. Yeah. Give me yes, open. Yeah. So it's the first time we play with this, so just okay, send. Okay, let me see if I can write. So let me go to my Gmail. So I go back again. Yes, I think I can write. Okay, let me try to write. Can you see that I'm writing a 223?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, good. So, okay, so basically this is a common canvas for us. Interesting. So yeah, something new. So what you are supposed to do is, so you have the what do you get for this? You get 7 something, right, just now?
Yeah.
784, and then you, what's your answer just now? Can you go back to the PDF? Okay, so it's 2 to the power of 4 and 7 to the power of 2. Okay, so 2 to the power of 4, 7 to the power of 2. Can you see? I have written down the, probably I use a blue color. So basically, you have 2 to the power of 4 times 7 to the power of 2. So without using the calculator, they say without using calculator, you need to make use of this. So what you do is you do this, square root 2 to the power of 4. What do you get? Times square root 7 to the power of 2. So what I have done here is I split this. Okay, I split this. So what do you get for square root 2 to the power of 4? Can you use a calculator? So basically I split it, and then I split it, and like you say this, you get 4, and then what do you get for this? I think you get 7. So 4 times 7 is 28. So that's the answer, which is here. Make sense? Does it make sense to you or not? Okay? Hello? Does it make sense to you?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So let's do one more. Clear frame. Okay, clear already. So let me just make it the default size. Okay, good. So what if, okay, so what if you have, let's say you have, let me see. You have, okay, you have 100. How come you have so much noise from your side? So, okay, now it's good. So you have 100. So when you have 100, then you need to do the prime factorization, right? So you divide by 2, you get 50. Divide by 2, you get 25. And divide by 5, you get 5, right? Then after that, you just write down 100 is equal to 2 to the power of 2 times 5 to the power of 2. So I think you have no more problem with this, right? Okay, so now what you need to do is, if you are asked to square root 100, okay, so now can you see that your 100 is already given by this one? So what you do is you just replace your 100 with 2 to the power of 2 and 5 to the power of 2 inside. Can you see? 100 I replace with this 2 to the power of 2 and 5 to the power of 2 inside. Can you see that?
Yeah.
So once you have this, then you just split. You split this. Square root 2 to the power of 2 times square root 5 to the power of 2. I split like this. We change the color. So I split to this. So once you split, then you realize that square root 2 to the power of 2, what do you get? Can you tell me what's the answer for this? Then what about this? 5. So 2 times 5 is?
10.
Yes, so that's the answer. Okay, so this is another example. Okay, good. Next. Okay, next question. Sai thì. So I clear frame first. Yeah. So the next question is, find the lowest common multiple of the two numbers given your answer in index notation, right?
Yeah.
So what is the first, hold on. So if you have this, so 2 to the power of 3, 3 to the power of 5 times 7. What's this answer, by the way? Can you use your calculator? Yeah, you go to the whiteboard. Yes. So what's this answer?
One three six 08.
Okay, good. So it's 1360. Okay, 13608. Then what is the other one? Let me go to my. It's okay. Let me go to check the question. 2 to the power of 5. Okay. So 2 to the power of 5, 3 to the power of 2 times 5 times 7. You just follow the whiteboard will do. So can you help me out with what's this answer?
68040.
68040.
40.
Okay, good. So what you need to do is they are asking you to find the lowest common multiple, and then they are asking you to find the HCF. Can you still remember how you do? Yeah, you can go back to the question on the white. You just need to look at the white canvas. Can you go to the white canvas? Not the question, the white canvas. Yes. So can you still remember how do you find the HCF and LCM just now? You do this, right? Your first step is divide by 2, right?
Yeah.
Then what do you get? Here and here. Help me out. Use your calculator.
First one is 6804.
Hold on, 6804. Next one.
34020.
Okay, good. Then you divide by 4 again. Divide by 2 again.
Three four zero two. One 7010.
Continue. Divide by 2 again.
701. 8505.
I think you need to divide by a 3 already.
Five six seven.
567. Then next.
2835.
I think divide by another 3.
189.
This one.
Yeah. 945.
Another 3.
63.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then this one.
315.
Okay, I run out of space, so let me just continue from here. So I guess another 3 you get. 21, right?
Yeah.
Then continue. 315 divided by 3.
105.
Good. Divide by another 3. You get 7. Then this.
35.
Good. I think you can put another 7. Then you get 1. You get 5. Okay, that's it. So how do you get the HCF? Can you still remember? HCF is which part? Can you still remember HCF is which part? Hello? How do you find the HCF?
2
2
times
2 times
2
2 times
2
times
3
times
3
times
3
times 3 times 3 times 7. Yeah. So this will give you a HCF. So it's how many 2? 1, 2, 3, 3, 2. 2 to the power 3. How many 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 3. How many 7? 1. How do you find LCM? Can you still remember? You just do the, take all this, which is already here. So it's 2 to the power 3 times 3 to the power 5 times 7. And then still need to times the 1 times the 5. Simple. So this is for you to figure out. Or they say put it in index notation, so you don't have to figure it out. So by the way, 1 is not there because 1 is not a prime number. So 1 no need to write. So just 5. So these are the answers. Okay? Okay, good. Share with me the next question. So a bus interchange. Okay, good. I get it already. Okay, do you know that you can actually... Okay, let me just share your... Okay, let me just... Hold on. So I need to go to the next page. And actually, you can do this. Let me see. I'm also testing this first time. Oh, you have sticky note, image, circle. Okay, good. I will just add an image. But before that, I need to crop this out. This question is a bit blur by the way. But okay lah, just bear with it lah. I need to browse my desktop. Nothing. Cancel. Okay, let me drag a file here. Okay, drag and drop. Loading. Can you see? The question is there already.
Yeah.
So it says at this bus interchange, and then you have bus A leaves every 15 minutes. A 15 minutes frequency. B is 6-minute frequency. C is 8 minutes. Okay. So what you need to do is the 3 buses leave the interchange together at 8 o'clock. So 8 o'clock. A, B, C. They both leaves. Find the next 2 timing at which the 3 buses leave the interchange together again. So what you need to do is, so between these 15, 6 and 8, you need to find out what is the HCF and so you need to find the HCF and the LCM. So what can you put here? Can you put anything here? No, right? Nothing, right? Can you put a 3? Cannot. Can you put a 2? Cannot. So you can put nothing here. Okay? So if you cannot put anything here, you need to do the prime factorization for each of them. So 15 is what? 3 times 5. This one is 2 times 3. This one is 2 to the power of 3. Okay? Okay, so given this, what is the HCF? Okay, so the HCF is nothing, right? So therefore you need to find the LCM. So what I'm trying to say is there is no HCF for this case. There is no HCF. Why? Because if you do this, can you put a number here such that you can divide by 3 of this? Any number you can think of? Can you put a 2? Put a 2, 15 cannot, 6 can, 8 also can, but 15 cannot, so 2 cannot. So I put a 3, you get 5, you get 2 here, this one cannot. So one of them cannot means cannot, 3 also cannot. So that's why there's no HCF. So if there is no HCF, the LCM is, so you just do it like this. So what's the answer? 90 times 8, 720. So this is 720 minutes. Okay? 720 minutes is how many hours? So conversion. 60 minutes is how many hours? 1 hour. So 720 minutes is how many hours? Can you figure this out?
Yeah.
Do it with a calculator.
Oh.
So how do you get from 60 minutes to 720 minutes? Here to here. What's the factor?
No.
Times what?
12.
Yes. So you times 12. So that means this side also need to times 12. So it's 12 hours. Okay. So the two timings, 12 hours later lor. So 12 hours later will be 20. So 20 hours. The ABC they will live together again. So every 12 hours. So then the next 12 hours is, so you have 8 o'clock. Actually this 12 hours is 8 p.m. So another 12 hours is, so 4 hours is midnight already. This one will be midnight. So you still have another 8, so it's 8 a.m. again. So it's 8 p.m. and then 8 a.m. These are two timing. This is the first. This is the second. They will leave the interchange together again. Okay? Okay or not?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So that means that's the end for this. That's the end for this question 1 to 5. Okay. So in fact, right, today you can stop sharing already.
Oh, okay.
So let me share. My entire screen. Okay, can you see my screen now? Okay, good. So in fact, if you are doing, I mean today, right, what we focus on is very much on how to find the HCF and LCM. Okay, and of course the prime factorization. Okay, so what is prime factorization? Prime factorization is if you get 24, what you do, you divide by 2, you get 12, you divide by 2, you get 6, divide by 2, you get 3. So 24 is equal to 2 to the power of 3 times 3. So this is prime factorization. Okay? Can or not? Prime factorization?
Yeah.
You get it? Very simple. The next one will be for HCF and LCM. You do it this way. So you need to put a factor such that it can divide by both. So you put a 2, you get 12, put a 2, you get 15. So you put a 3, you get 4, you put a 3, you get 5. So now, can you continue further from here? Can you put anything here?
No.
No, so then you stop. So if you stop, what's your HCF? From this, what's HCF? HCF, you pick the side one, right?
Yeah.
So what do you get? Two times 3, right?
Yeah.
2 times 3, the side one. So therefore the HCF is 2 times 3, which is 6. Then what about the LCM? How do you get LCM? LCM is all of them, you times them together, right?
Yeah.
So what you get? LCM is? Can you guide me?
2
2, and then?
times 3
And then?
times 4
And then?
times 5.
Correct. So the answer is 6 times 12, 6 times 20, 120. So far so good?
Yeah.
Yeah. So in fact, it's very easy to do the prime factorization. This part is pretty easy. And then next part is very easy to find the HCF and LCM if you follow this. Okay? HCF is given by the side. Okay? LCM is given by times all of them together. So, are you clear? Are you clear?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So do you have materials? Do you have more materials? If not, I will give you materials from my side for assignment.
I do.
You have?
Yeah.
Can you send them? You just send me one only, right?
Yeah.
So you have how many? How many materials you have?
I'm not sure, but yeah, outside.
Okay, never mind. So you try to send at least 2 to me. Then I will take a look at them, and then I will see what you can do, and then we will go from there. Okay. Can you send them over by this weekend?
Okay.
Can? Any other question?
No.
Okay, good. So if not, I will give you assignment after receiving your these PDFs. Then we will go from there. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, that's it. So good. So next time we should use your Chromebook because you can write. All right. If we are having online lessons, okay.
Okay.
Okay, bye bye, take care.